Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Guys, I am losing my freaking mind. I saw on TV the UN has ordered the United States of America, has ordered our entire country to stand down. Don't defend your citizens. Don't defend the law-abiding citizens of America against the criminals. Criminal protesters who aren't actually protesters. They're not actually out protesting. They're looting. They're burning down your cities. They're killing people. And we're ordered not to protect our citizens against people like that. I mean, who the hell does the UN think they are anyway? Didn't Trump already tell them to piss off once before? Yeah, he done told them to piss off. Piss off real good, too. He took a lot of their money. A lot of the money that the United States was paying the UN for absolutely nothing. I mean, what has the UN ever done for America? Because I don't know. That's a serious question. I'm actually asking and not just talking shit. So if you know, leave it in the comments. But what has the UN actually done for America besides take all of our money for nothing? I don't know. But what I do know is Trump. Trump is telling them to piss off again. He's going to piss off, UN. I'm telling you to piss off too. I'm a redneck. Trump might be a nice guy, but I ain't. I like to see you son of bitches fuck around here because we would eat you. That's what rednecks. Have you ever watched Wrong Turn? Have you ever actually watched The Wrong Turn? We will eat you. All right, well, I'm just trying to vent a little because I'm getting worked up. Getting actually good and worked up. Seattle has already ordered their cops to stand down. They cannot use lethal force. They cannot use any kind of less lethal force like tear gas. They've been ordered that, and the Seattle Police Department has actually sent out letters, which I will post. I will put a picture at the end of this video of the actual letter that they're sending out, telling you just have to fend for yourselves. That's what you have to do, is fend for yourselves. It's all these Democrat-run cities that's falling to shit. We got to do something. Make sure you keep your head on a swivel. And always carry. I'm out of here. Y'all take it easy.